Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I am Anand. Today I am going to start a Selenium class. Before I tell you, we should some important softwares. First one is Java. You can use C, C++, C Sharp and Python. And second one is Eclipse. Third one is Selenium. What is Java? Java is a programming language and computing platform first released by Sun Microsystem in 1995. Most of the applications developed by using a Java language. Java is fast and reliable. What is Eclipse? Eclipse is an integrated development environment for developing applications using the Java programming language and other programming languages such as C, C++, Python, Perl, and Ruby, etc. What is Selenium? Selenium is a free and open source web application automation testing tool. In this video, I am going to tell you how to download Java and Eclipse and how to install a Java and Eclipse. First, open the Google Chrome, search google.com and type jdk downloads in search box. Enter, and we can see the www.oracle.com, and under the Java SC download links, click on this links, and you can see the Java SC 14. This is the latest version, and right side we can see the Oracle JDK. Under the Oracle JDK, there is a link of JDK download. Click on this. Scroll down. Here you can see the Windows 64-bit installer. Click on this link and accept the license agreement for Oracle Java SC. Click on download links and save it and keep and wait. After downloading, click on new tab, search google.com and search Eclipse. Here we can see www.eclipse.org. Click on first link. Here we can see the download link. Click on download link, and you can see get Eclipse ID 2020-06 and click on download 64-bit. Here again click on download. Wait 2 seconds and save the file and wait for downloading the file. After downloading, close the browser, go to computers, go to download folders. Here you can see the downloaded files. Select the Java, right click, open. Here you can see the user account control. Do you want to allow the following program to make change to this computer? Yes. Here you can see the setup wizard. Click on next. Here you can change the location of where you can install the folders. According to me, I leave as it is. Next, here you can see the progress. Wait some time. Here you can see the development, Java development successfully installed. Close the window. Go to computers. Go to local disk. Here go to program files. Here you can see the Java folders and JDK folders. Here bin folders. The bin folder is a very important folder where all the important file is there. And one more important thing is we have to give the path to the system setting, to system uh, bin folders path. Right click, uh, copy the path, next select computer, go to properties, click on advanced system settings, click on environment variables, and here you can see the system variables and user variable for Anant, and you can see in system variable here you find the path, click on edit, and in the we paste the path. Okay, click on OK, and restart the computer. After restart the computer, check is Java installed or not. Type Java slash ter version. Here you can see the Java version 14.0.2. It is installed. It's installed. Close Windows, and now we are going to install Eclipse, and right click, open. It takes some time. Wait for some time. Here you can see that do you want to run this files? Yes. Run. Here you can see the Eclipse installer. Here you can see the many IDE, Eclipse IDE for Java developer, Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java developer, C++ developer, JavaScript developer, and PHP developers. Here we click on first link, Eclipse IDE for Java developer, and here leave as it is. Click on install. Accept the license agreement. Accept now, and wait some time. Here you can see the accept unsigned content before the software can be installed. And accept. Here you can see the installation complete successfully, and we launch the Eclipse. Here you can see the Eclipse IDE launcher, and this is a location where we can set the path. Here is the workspace where the setup file is installed. Click on launch. Here we can see the welcome page for IDE Java developer, and close the windows, and you can now I am going to create a new Java project. Now select the file new, click on Java project. Name is Java 1. click on finish, click on don't create, and extract the Java project one, and select the src, click on write now, click on create a new project package. Package name is qt, and finish, click on finish, and click on new, create a new class, create a class, uh, here name, give the name is hello world, click on launch finish. Here you can see the new class. Here we try to write a code. uh, Here write a main method, public static void main, and string argument, and semicolon. Here we write here we give the print sys system dot out dot print system dot out dot println, println small bracket type hello world, semicolon, and run the. Here we save and launch, click OK. Here you can see the it is a print the hello world. That means Java and Eclipse are communicate with each other, and I am going to close my video. In this video, I try to explain in simple way and short way. If you understand, please like and subscribe my channel for new updates and new videos. Thank you.